Hey crew, Meg here with a walkthrough of Venture Project 2. All right, Venture Project 2 has 4 main components. So the first of those is that pitch. So the pitch is that super exciting time that we get to share with our community. We have that 5 minutes and that 3, 2, 1 excitement where you're sharing out and we are just really enjoying your share of what is the final offering. So that's when we talk about our problem and our opportunity statement, and we make that engaging offering to our community. And then we have our evidence locker. So that's the second piece. And in our evidence locker, we can think of that as a series of folders organized with the evidence of the evidence, or it can also be considered to be a set of appendices that we organize our evidence and help to navigate our customer through. The third part is that learning journey video. So the learning journey video dives deeper into the project than what we simply see within the pitch. And it talks about teaming, how your team got along with each other, as well as how you got the actual work done that was required of the project. It really walks us through the information in the evidence locker within a very compelling fashion. And it talks about your timeline of when you did X, Y, and Z. And it provides us with a deeper opportunity to learn about what your learning was about. So extra stars in the learning journey video for creativity and fun. And then our fourth element is this business report. So the business report is that professional piece that you have for the client or for your colleagues that gives you a final description of the project. So we're going to have in here the final BIC, BMC. We'll have links into the evidence locker of previous versions, links into the evidence locker of some of the other content that you've generated. The business report is going to have in it a summary that walks us through the highlights of the project and gives us an orientation that's deeper than the pitch. It's more illuminating than the evidence locker, and it brings us through the learning journey video from a sense of the key takeaways, but it really focuses in again on that final offering that we have up here within the pitch, as well as learning a little bit more about how you might verbally summarize that. So it's a fleshing out of, so let's think about it as an expansion of the evidence within your pitch. So we have some samples of that within the assignment that you can look at, but we want to be sure to fully include these 4 different pieces that we have within the project now. So we have our pitch, our evidence locker, our learning journey video, and then that thing that strings them all together in a professional way, and that is our business report. So I'm going to go into the overall Venture Project description. Again, here we see the pitch, then we have our digital learning journey video, our business report, and our evidence locker. So all of those 4 pieces walk us through different portions of the assignment that is your Venture Project 2. Going into Canvas, you can see that we have 4 different links here that have slightly different information for the different E-levels. So there's a separate VP2 for E1, 2, 3, and 4 through 6. So I'm going to click on the E1, and you'll see here that we have the deliverables with the parameters. So those are the specific details required. And we have here, of course, the pitch, digital learning journey video, business report, and your evidence locker. So if you fully satisfy everything within this assignment, then you'll be within the B range that you've demonstrated competence and understanding and thoroughly completed the assignment. To go above and beyond, we have some of those elements detailed down here too, which is really setting the standard. So you'll notice in our assignments that we not only want you to go through and fully understand the assignment. At the end of the assignment, we also ask that you self-evaluate on the grade that you believe that you deserve based out of your work. So under each of these, please do carefully read through the minimum expectations of the different deliverable areas and create a plan of action for the next couple of weeks of what you're going to do to get to whichever point you decide that you would like to be at within those standards. So again, going back to this, Venture Project 2 is a set of 4 different portions. We have the pitch, we have our evidence locker, we have our learning journey video, and we have our business report. So looking forward to seeing all of your Venture Project 2s, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. We're here to help. Thanks.